Today we are here to discuss about the topic area related to circle class 10. First of all, we have to learn some terms related to circle. Arc. Arc is a part of circumference of a circle. Segment. Segment is the region bounded between chord and the corresponding arc. The part which includes the center is called major segment and the part without center is called minor segment. Next one is sector. The region bounded between two radii and respective arc is called sector. The larger portion is called major sector and the smaller portion is called minor sector. Now let us discuss some formula. First of all, we have to find the formula for getting the length of arc. Suppose an arc AB creates an angle theta at the center. So we can see here that for complete angle 360 degree, length of arc is actually the circumference, that is 2 pi r. So for any angle theta, it will be theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Same also with the area of sector, this region. So area of sector for complete angle 360 degree, area will be pi r square. So for theta degree, that is central angle, it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now area of segment. As we know that a segment is formed between the curved and corresponding arc. So area of segment is area of the whole sector minus this area of triangle. So area of sector, as you know that area of sector is obtained by theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and this area of triangle depending upon the central angle, if it is right angle triangle then it is half base into height, if it is 60 degree then it is root 3 by 4 side square. But using trigonometric ratio you can also find the area of triangle by formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta. In case if you have to find the area of this major segment, so you can find this by subtracting the area of minor segment from the area of whole circle. Now let us discuss some questions. We have to find the area of given quadrant whose radius is 14 cm and also we have to find its perimeter. So basically quadrant is actually a sector whose central angle is 90 degree. So using formula of area of sector, which is theta by 360 pi r square, here theta is 90 degrees, so it is 90 upon 360 pi 22 by 7 multiplied by radius square, that is 14 into 14. So 94 you can cancel out, 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 22 cancel out, 11 into 14, that is 154 centimeter square is the area of sector. Now you have to also find the perimeter. So basically perimeter is the boundary of this whole sector. So perimeter is obtained by OA plus this AB, actually this is length of arc L plus this length OB. So OA is 14 centimeter and length of arc, we know that formula is theta by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r plus OB is actually 14. Now if we want to calculate it, 14 plus 14, that is 28, plus theta means 90 upon 360 into 2, value of pi again 22 by 7 into 40. 94 is 360, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 11 and 7 2s are 14, so 28 plus 11 2s are 22, so total perimeter of the given sector is 50 centimeter. Another question. ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeter. 4 equal quadrants are made at each corner. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So we can see here this shaded region can be obtained by subtracting area of 4 quadrant from area of square. So these 4 corners are when subtracted from area of square, we get the area of shaded region. So area of square is obtained by side square minus 4 quadrants are there, so 4 into area of quadrant is 1 by 4, that is 90 by 360, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. Now side is 7, so 7 square minus 4 and 4 cancel out, value of pi, that is 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 into 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is the radius here. The whole side is 7, so 7 by 2 is the required radius of the quadrant. So 2 11s are 22, 7 and 7 cancel out. So this is 11 into 7, 77, 77 upon 2. The square of 7 is 49 minus 77 upon 2, that is 38.5. So 49 minus 38.5, that is 10.5 centimeter square is the area of required shaded region. In next question, we have to find the area of this shaded region. As we can see here, this shaded region is the region bounded by chord and corresponding arc. So this is a segment. So we know that area of segment is obtained by area of sector minus area of this triangle OAB. So area of sector is theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle is, using trigonometric ratio, it is half r square sin theta. We can also find this area of triangle by, as we see that central angle is 60 degree. So this is also an equilateral triangle. So you can also use root 3 by 4 side square. Theta means 60 degree by 360, value of pi 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, that is 21 multiplied by 21 minus 1 by 2, 21 multiplied by 21 into sin 60. So we can see here 6 6 are 36. Now cancel out with 2. This is 3 7s are 21, 7 and 7 cancel out, and 11 into 21 is 231 minus 1 by 2, 21 multiplied by 21, 441, and the value of sin 60, we know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So we can say that area of this shaded region is 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So this is the area of segment. Let us take another question. In the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OEBD of side 20 centimeter. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So we can see here, this shaded region is obtained by subtracting area of square from area of this sector. So first of all, we have to find the radius of sector, for which we have to join O to B. Then if we use Pythagoras theorem, so in triangle AOB, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So OA is 20 square plus AB is again 20. So 20 square 400 plus 400, that is 800. OB square is equal to 800. So OB is square root of 800, that is 20 root 2 centimeter. You can also find the radius by using directly the diagonal of square, that is side root 2. So you can directly find 20 root 2. Now use the formula. Now the area of shaded region is area of shaded region is obtained by subtracting area of square from area of quadrant. So first of all, area of quadrant minus area of square. So again, area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of square is side square. So 1 by 4, here the value of pi is 3.14 and radius is squared, so square of 20 root 2 is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus square of 20, that is side square. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 3.14 into 20 root 2 multiplied by 20 root 2, you can see here it is 800 minus square of 20 is 400. So if you cancel out this, 3.14 multiplied by 200, that is 628 minus 400, that is 228 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. In next question, with the word says A, B and C of a triangle ABC as a center, arcs are drawn with radii 7 cm each. We have to find the area of shaded region. So here we can see that these three shaded regions are actually in the form of sector. So the area of sector is obtained by adding all the three sectors together. So area of shaded region is area of sector, that is angle A divided by 360 pi r square, plus area of this sector at B, that is angle B by 360 pi r square, plus this area at C, that is angle C divided by 360 pi r square. So taking pi r square upon 360 as a common, we get angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now using angle sum property, we can see that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. So this is pi r square upon 360 multiplied by 180. So 180 2 is 360. This is half pi r square. So 1 by 2, value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 and 7 cancel out. 22 divided by 2, that is 11. So 11 into 2, 7 is 77 centimeter square is the area of required shaded regions. In this session, we have discussed about length of arc, area of sector and area of segment, and also few questions based on area related to circle. Hope now you all are able to solve the questions based on area related to circle. Thank you.